Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Outre, and she is from the Melted Hairline series. Her name is Rubina, and she is in the color 1B. Here's a quick 360 of her. That is what her hairline is giving. Plucking is always optional when it comes down to units that are already pre-plucked, especially the Melted Hairline series. But y'all know I gotta go in and pluck her. So she is a left side part. For my girlies that is wondering which side she is on the left side, not the right. So if you are a right side girly, she is on the left. Since she is a melted hairline wig, she does have this lace frontal effect. So no, this is not a free party unit. The Perfect Hairline series from Outre is more so of that free parting space that you get with that type of wig. But the Melted Hairline series is kind of a station part. So this is how I am plucking that unit. So I didn't want to over pluck because I only have so much lace and so much hairline, because y'all see that line of demarcation where the tracks actually start in the actual wig. So yeah, I decided to not overly pluck this unit. The texture of this unit gives off silky, like a light yaki in a sense. she does tangle and she does shed. She tangled more than I expected her to, because lengthwise, I'll probably have to go back and look on the stock card, but the length, she wasn't that long. So for her to tangle up the way she did, and it being the type of style it was, I was kind of shocked about that. But yeah, she do tangle and she do shed. So right now I am cutting that lace with those eyebrow razors, just to have that little jagged cut instead of a straight line, instead of a straight cut with scissors. For the price point, this was actually pretty decent. I think I purchased this unit for like $35 on Wig Type, so this wig is definitely a steal. What I can say about this unit, I love how full this is. I love, 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 love the layers. Like, this is definitely given. I don't know if you guys follow Cash Doll Stylist. I forgot her name on Instagram, but she be cutting the heck out of some layers, and this wig is like the perfect type of affordable dupe if you're not in her area to go get your hair done by her. So yes, this is definitely giving body, is giving layers. Like, I love how sexy this hair is. Overall, how I am feeling about this unit from Outre, I would definitely rate this wig at least an 8 out of 10, y'all. I personally love the price point. I love how easy it was to put on. I love that it was a left side part unit. The color is very vibrant, very deep and rich. I just really love how sexy and grown and sophisticated this wig gave. The layers were insane, insane, insane. And yeah, it was just a really beautiful, beginner friendly wig. Now, the cons that I did have with this unit, I personally didn't like how much it did tangle and how much it did shed, but of course for $35, beggars can't be choosers, okay? But yeah, so the only cons that I did have with this unit is that she did shed and she did tangle. The texture was pretty decent. I don't think I would have wanted like a yakier type of texture. So the silky light yaki combo is definitely perfect. When you manipulate wigs too much, you know, them ends start to kind of give off that little like matted feel. So I ran my hot comb through her and she snapped right back in place. So that concludes today's video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to my channel. I will definitely be having a wig sale very, very soon. So please make sure you guys are following my wig store. I will definitely let y'all know 24 hours to 48 hours in advance before I even have my wig sale. Like, I'm not just going to spring it on y'all. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, because that's when I will be kind of, you know, giving you guys that reminder. I will try to update my YouTube as well. So if you like this video, make sure you guys are liking the video, subscribing to the channel, turning on that bell. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.